Elizabeth Hurley's bold fashion choices never fail to captivate, and her latest Instagram post is no exception. This time, she's taken her love for animal print to a whole new level, showcasing her Beachwear brand's stunning leopard print swimsuits. In a series of photos, Hurley, at 60, exudes confidence and style. The first image finds her in a lush jungle setting, arms raised, beaming with a radiant smile. She's wearing the Savannah one-piece cheetah, a daring halter-neck swimsuit with a plunging neckline that showcases her sculpted physique. The second photo features the Fortuna one-piece leopard, a strapless bandeau neckline, offering an elegant and sophisticated look. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that animal print is a bold choice, and not everyone can pull it off. However, Hurley's unique style and confidence make it work effortlessly. Her secret? A love for the outdoors and an active lifestyle. "I'm happiest when I'm working in my garden or walking my dogs," she shares. "I don't follow any strict exercise routine, but I stay active and keep moving. I believe in staying firm and toned, and that's why I incorporate core-focused workouts like Pilates and yoga into my daily routine." And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the swimsuit or the print. It's about the attitude and confidence that Hurley brings to every outfit. Her journey to fame began with a gilded Versace dress at the premiere of 4 Weddings and a Funeral, but her style has evolved, and she continues to inspire with her unique fashion choices. So, what do you think? Is animal print a bold fashion statement or a timeless classic? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss.